the overhead compartment and the smaller item underneath the seat in front of you. We do have a full flight this morning, and we would like to welcome you on board our flight to Orlando. Our flight time this morning will be approximately 2 hours and 12 minutes. In a few moments, I will be showing a video that demonstrates the safety features of this aircraft. If you're using an electronic device, please pause for a moment to ensure you're able to give your full attention to this important safety briefing.
First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and hold it onto the slide and move away from the airplane.
214, we're aboard. Flight attendants prepare for takeoff, please.
At American Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. A special welcome to Advantage and One World members. If you are not an Advantage member, you can sign up at aa.com/join for miles for today's flight and continue earning miles with our retail and travel partners. Our Advantage Aviator Federal Elite MasterCard is another great way to earn miles for everyday purchases and enjoy benefits such as your first check bag free, free boarding, and no foreign transaction fees. Now an Aviator card member, see a flight attendant and receive an exclusive offer when you apply in flight today.
want to avoid the long lines and get on board faster? Would you like to pay less for your checked bag? As a card member, you'll enjoy preferred boarding, and your first eligible checked bag is free on domestic itineraries for any primary card member and up to 4 companions on your reservation, a potential savings of up to $250 round trip. And if this is your first time applying for the card, you will also earn an extra 500 miles for applying on this flight. Enjoy these great benefits and more. All you need to do is make your first purchase within the first 90 days after you open your account and pay the $95 annual fee. We will be coming through the aisles shortly with applications, which includes more details about this offer and the many benefits of being a card member. We're happy to collect the completed application and securely mail them on your behalf. You can also access the internet for free to apply online with a special promotion code located inside the paper application. Thank you for flying American Airlines, and we hope you'll make the most of this limited time offer for 60,000 bonus miles.
Should be landing in 30 minutes. So we can turn the seatbelt sign back on shortly. We'll do that in time. It's currently 81 degrees in the field. And some rain showers. They'd love to be moving on the field. That's right. It's rain showers in the area, but just to the west of the field. Thanks for coming with us today. Hope you enjoyed the flight. We'll see you again soon.
To prepare for landing, please close your tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the original upright position. You will now collect any items you wish to dispose of. Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
It's 2:43 p.m. On behalf of the entire crew of American Airlines and our One World partners, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. And we hope to see you again on another American Airlines flight.